Welcome to the Honda UK Automobile National Recommended Retail Pricing (NRRP) video. The NRRP is Honda's industry-leading service and maintenance program that provides a clear, transparent, fixed pricing structure for repairs across the UK. Whether you are in London, Swansea or Glasgow, you have our promise for the same price to keep your Honda on the road. This is our duty of care to all Honda customers. Honda has a variety of NRRP fixed-price repairs to suit our customers' needs. Whether it's a repair job like a replacement of brake pads, wiper blades, battery or air filters, to the much larger jobs such as clutch or timing belt replacements, we've got you covered. Here are examples of maintenance items, oils and fluids with fixed prices for your petrol or diesel models. Popular models like Jazz, Civic, HR-V and CR-V are covered, but other popular older models such as Accord and FR-V are also covered with very competitive fitted price repairs. Here are examples of maintenance items, oils and fluids with fixed prices if your car is a hybrid or electric. You can have peace of mind that only genuine Honda parts are used that also carry a 1-year warranty. The repairs are only carried out by Honda-trained technicians that use the latest software, tools and trusted equipment. Our national recommended retail price has the additional benefit of offering manufacturer servicing at very competitive prices. Whether your car is a hybrid or electric, Type R or any other petrol or diesel model, all the models are covered by the manufacturer service. We also offer fixed price MOT, MOT with service, and a variety of free benefits such as health check and recall check. So speak to a service advisor to find out more. Terms and conditions apply.